Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best kindergarten girls outfit available, the first day of kindergarten shirt from Habudda. This shirt is designed especially for kids stepping into their exciting kindergarten journey. And it offers a perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability to keep your little one happy and confident on that big day. Made from 100% cotton, this shirt promises a soft, breathable feel that's gentle on sensitive skin. The fabric is non-irritating and lightweight, ensuring that kids stay comfortable throughout their school day, whether they're learning, playing, or making new friends. The classic crew neck design adds to the ease of wear, making it simple for little hands to dress themselves. One of the standout features of this shirt is its adorable and playful design. With prints like, "In my kindergarten era," alongside cute crowns, pencils, and bows, it perfectly captures the spirit of starting school. These charming graphics are vibrant and fun, appealing to both girls and boys who want to show off their school pride. This versatility makes the shirt a great choice for any child beginning kindergarten. Durability is another important aspect, and this shirt doesn't disappoint. Expert stitching means it can withstand all the energetic activity a kindergartner brings, making it a favorite that lasts beyond the first day. The shirt is also easy to care for. Simply toss it in the washing machine without worrying about fading or losing the print's clarity. This hassle-free maintenance is ideal for busy parents juggling school routines. Available in multiple sizes, ranging from toddler ages 2 to 3 years up to 7 to 8 years, this shirt grows with your child. The sizing offers a comfortable fit, allowing plenty of room for movement without feeling too loose or restrictive. Plus, its versatile style makes it perfect not only for the first day but also as a fun school spirit shirt throughout the year. To sum it up, the Habudda first day of kindergarten shirt offers a winning combination of soft, breathable cotton fabric, an engaging and age-appropriate design, durable construction, and easy care. It's a practical and charming choice for parents wanting to make their child's first day of kindergarten memorable and comfortable. If you're looking for a shirt that your child will love wearing and you'll appreciate for its quality, this is definitely a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe for more honest product insights.